If you're not keen on your Street Twin fork boots, here's a quick tip. Hi, Tony here, and this is just a very quick video. I've named it Tuesday Tip. I don't know whether that would be a regular Tuesday thing. I probably can't think of enough things, but one of the things that's bugged me a little bit since I've had the bike are the fork gaiters. Now, those fork gaiters give you that classic style, and I don't know if this was just a problem with the early bikes, but they did have some problems with discoloration. Mine were going red and they gave off kind of a reddish sort of dust. So you could clean them down and they look quite nice, but after a while, whatever it was that was in the rubber material would come out and they would discolour and go red again, and it just didn't look very good. Now, I'd thought about cutting them off completely.
Oh, yeah, cut it off.
But then I was a little bit worried about the fork seal. Most of the time I'm not riding off-road and not getting gritty, it wouldn't be a problem. But then I looked in my local Triumph dealer and I found these. The fork protectors that come as standard on the Street Cup. So I thought, here we go, here's a good solution. And all it needs is to undo one screw at the top here, release that clip to get access to the boot. Now, I just cut these off because they're not going to go back on the bike. If I was to put new fork boots on, then I'd have to go through the process of dropping the fork leg out and putting it on properly. But for these purposes, just break out your scissors. Once that's off, give it a quick clean up, and then the plastic Street Cup fork protector just clips on. Simple as that. So it offers a little bit of protection from road grime on the fork seal. It looks pretty good, and once these are on, obviously you've got that flexibility. If you want to run with no fork protectors on, just snap them off. If the weather's not looking great, raining, horrible, whatever, or you just fancy a change, snap them back on. Nice and easy. They're about £9 a piece, so with postage about 20 quid will get you a set of these, and you can transform the look of your Street Twin. Now, I've got quite a lot of stuff coming up on the channel. I've got a lot of filming to do. I'm going to be very busy over the next few weeks. Got a little bit of catching up to do after my holiday. But until the next video, I'd just like to say thanks for watching. And until next time, take care, ride safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Yeah.